Hello, hello, hello! Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Shiela again. So today we're going to make a pad thai rolls. But before we're gonna start, I'm gonna show it to you the ingredients that we're going to use. Okay? So this is the ingredients that we're going to use to our pad thai roll. We're gonna use I'm using an sotanghon noodles, but you could use there's pad thai noodles that you could look at the Asian store. The one it's look like fettuccine, but it's called pad thai noodles. But I choose the sotanghon because I don't know, I love to eat the sotanghon than the pad thai noodles. And then we're going to use a shrimp, chicken, cucumber, carrots, celery, onion leaves, the rice wrapper. And then for our peanut butter sauce, of course, we need to use peanut butter, Thai fish sauce, lime, garlic. So first, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put Thai fish sauce to our noodles. So I'm gonna use like 2 tablespoons, and that's gonna be mixed like that, and then there you go. And then you're gonna mix it. And then ang gagawin natin sa ating rice wrapper, so that's why I have a water here, because we're gonna soak this rice wrapper to the water, and then we're gonna wait until the wrapper will be soft. So eto ho, medyo malambot na siya. You need to be careful para hindi ho siya ma-rip or whatever. Ayan. And then, malambot na siya. Then, we're gonna start while we're putting this stuff, maglagay tayo ng isa. Para mamaya-maya, mabilis na lang yung ating. Then, first, we're gonna put a noodles. Like, magkulang kayo konti. It's up to you kung ano karami ang noodles na ilagay nyo sa. You could estimate the noodles that you could put in your wrapper. So, just like that, you should do in a, what I call that, in a triangle style. Kasi square siya. Meron din yung rice wrapper na round. Ito, this is a square. So, I refer the square because it's easy to fold. And then, you could put a carrots. We're gonna put the chicken first. Medyo mahaba. Ayan. We're gonna put the chicken, the carrots, the cucumber. I love cucumber. I'm gonna put like 1 celery or 2, whatever that you want. And onion leaves. 1 or 2, whatever that you want. Ayan. And then, i-wrap natin siya. Ay, be careful. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Para ho may long green, orange, and green. Ayan. Ooh. Para nagra-wrap po kayo ng spring rolls. Ayan, i-fold nyo dito. Fold in the side and in the other side. Ayan, and then fold and fold and fold. Ayan, look at that. See, meron na kayong. So now we're gonna start make our peanut butter sauce. Like 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. Ayan. See, parang marami na spoon. Parang ganito. Laki. It depends sa inyo. Estimated lang. But I use like 4 or 5 tablespoons of peanut butter. And then we're gonna put our 1 tablespoon of garlic. Then, we're gonna put like 1 tablespoon of lime. And then, we're gonna close this well. Then, we're gonna mix it. Ayan, close na siya. Pero okay na ho siya. Kung wala ho kayong mixer, pwede na rin ho i-mix nyo lang. As long na ma-corporate lang ho yung lime at saka yung garlic. Ayan, oh, napakalapot. Ano ba yan? We're gonna try this. This is a peanut butter with lime and garlic. I like it. Ayan, try. Let's eat. This is chicken. I want with the vegetable. Fresh vegetable with the peanut butter. Combination with the onion, celery, carrots, and it's so good. So, there you go, guys. Have a good day. I love you all. That's it. Kain na tayo. I love it. Kaya uubusin ko to. Okay, bye. Love you guys. Hope you like the way I made pad thai rolls. Bye.